just started howling, blowing dust up to the moon. No buffalo grass to hold it, so the prairie became a dune. Now the mountains are moving and the world turned upside down. The dirt is all above me, but I'm standing on the ground. Black blizzard is a-comin', and I know it's coming soon. Black blizzard is a-comin', it's written on the moon. It's written on the moon. It's written on the moon. Yeah, we all when we met that winter of 31, as the grain rots around us, we let our tractors run. They called us next gen people, but then came 32. So many storms hit no man's land that the cows were dying too. Black blizzard is a-comin', and I know it's coming soon. Black blizzard is a-comin', it's written on the moon. It's written on the moon. It's written on the moon. Be better, said so in the almanac, but the storm just kept coming like 2 midnights in a sack. Now Ma is out there crying, burying Gracie with a spoon. My boots are going out walking to the mountains of the moon. Black blizzard is a-comin', and I know it's coming soon. Black blizzard is a-comin', it's written